Hello Lux family, it's your boy Jay. Well, I've got a video here for the Lux family today, and I feel like it's something that my YouTube channel is missing. And by missing, I mean, well, I got an unboxing of it, but have I got a what fits in my bag? Clearly not. So today, stay tuned and we're going to find out what fits in my men's trio bag. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and give a comment down below. It means so much to this channel and it helps my channel out so much. Just wanted to say sorry about the noise in the background. Someone decided that they want to start re-ramping their shed up in the garden when I want to start recording. So you're probably wondering what actually fits in here. Now you'll be surprised, a lot actually fits in this men's trio bag, and I just literally can't stop looking at this bag. It's so nice and it's so lovely. I just wanted to let the Lux family know that I feel like this bag is for me, but it's not for me. I'm just basically in still two minds whether I should be selling this or not. Now if you're a long time subscriber of my channel, you'll realize that I don't usually put stuff in my bag. I usually take stuff out of my bag. So today I'm going to show you what comes out of my men's trios bag. Now you can fit a lot of stuff in here, but you have to realize that the width of it is not that big, so you can only get just like enough in there to suit your needs for the day. I wouldn't even say that this is a bag you should be taking abroad. Well, actually, to be fair, that's wrong. You could take this bag abroad and you can have it on, like, you know, one of your shoulder strap bags and stuff like that, a crossbody bag. You've come to see what fits in here and I'm going to show you what comes out of here. So let's get into it. First, I have my men's pocket organizer in here, and this is the beautiful LV one in the white Antarctica, which is just lovely. Now, if you don't want to carry your cards, which I do, you can actually put the cards in the actual little key slot here. But me personally, I do love to carry my pocket organizer around because I have so many of them and I just want to display them outside in public. So definitely the men's pocket organizer fits in here. I always carry around a fresh mask just in case I drop one or I end up losing my one. So a good fresh mask is always in need in your crossbody bag or men's bag. I haven't got any here unfortunately at the moment, but I always do carry a brush around with me. And for my Lux family that want to know if a brush does fit in there, yes, a comb, brush, whatever you name it, does fit in here. This one is on the larger size, so if you want to get a compact one that will fit in the bag, then yes, go ahead. It will save you so much more space. Next, I have a card holder. You're probably thinking, why do you have another card holder? You have a card holder on the outside, you have a pocket organizer inside, and now you got this card holder. Why do you need that many? Well, personally, I put this one in here to just let the Lux family know that what actually does fit inside of here. You know, you can move stuff around, you can take stuff out, and you kind of know for yourself like, oh, well, I don't need that, so I could put that in there instead. Well, a card holder fits in there as well. I have no clue what to say, literally, but I just put the most random stuff in my bag. Seriously, I just find stuff in there that I don't even need and think, how the hell did that even get in there? I carry a pen around just in case I need a pen to write some notes down and some ideas on my YouTube channel and just life in general. And you're probably thinking, where is the book? Well, we're going to get to that in a second. So I always carry a pen around in my bag. I carry my headphones around because clearly in this time and age, I cannot stand people. I just want to listen to myself and my music, and that's it. So I always make sure I carry my headphones around with me. Now we're halfway there and it does actually fit quite a lot of stuff. And yes, some of the stuff is unnecessary, but necessary for me. And I tend to not like to go outside with a lot of stuff in my bag. And I just personally just feel like I like the bare minimal stuff inside of it. So the next item that we have is my all famous beard brush, and I always carry my beard brush around with me. It just feels like it's a part of me now, and I always carry my brush around. So this item here always comes with me for sure. I also got my sanitizer. Now this one I make myself. It's like orchid and some other antibacterial spray as well in there. I just spritz everything down just in case. But yes, I always carry this mini travel size antibacterial spray with me. Now today I feel like I really need this because I've tried to record a video someone decides that they want to start blowtorching their shed down, someone baby just decides that they want to start crying, and I also decide that, you know, somehow after 1 whole year I decide to get a ticket on my car. God knows how. Anyway, paracetamol, ibuprofen, I think I need to take these literally right about now, because today it's just been a crazy day for me. Thinking about the card holders, I've literally put another card holder in here, well technically a wallet. So this is the 4th thing that really counts as a card holder, but I got my wallet in here. Like I said to you before, some of the stuff I just literally dashed in there just to feel like, okay, what stuff do I need, what stuff don't I need, but I feel like I tend to reach for my pocket organizer a bit more because it's like more convenient to open. And then this one I got the spare change in, so my change now, I don't really need this because I can put my change in here. But sometimes, I don't know if you know, but I don't like to carry spare change around. I just like cash, full stop, or card. It's just more easier. But if you want to take your wallet, and like I said, if you're traveling for the day, then yes, a wallet does fit into this men's trio bag. That's not it, don't worry, we still got plenty more that fits in here and that is coming out of here. And yes, it's my phone. For whoever wants to know what phone this is the Samsung S10, I believe. It's not the Plus, but it definitely fits comfortably inside this crossbody bag. Next, well, the last item I should say is a Jägermeister, because we always need to carry a drink around, and if you don't watch my videos, you know that I always carry a drink around with me just in case for an emergency. And today is a big emergency, so we will be cracking this open later on today. So that includes everything that fits in the main bag itself. You can see that it does have like a slot here you can put stuff in, but I felt like I didn't want to overstuff this bag, just so you know like what really fits in here. I feel like you can fit a lot more in here, or stuff that you actually need. Stuff like the stuff that I pulled out today, you don't really need it. So I would say you can fit a lot more stuff in here. And for the pen I was talking about, I always carry a notepad around with me. This is a perfect like little cover for this beautiful Dior, sorry, got it the wrong way, the Dior notebook. So I always carry a little notebook around with me as well, and this fits perfectly in the front compartment, and this fits comfortably in there. I do believe the iPad mini does fit in here, because I can't find mine, but I know that it will definitely really fit in here. So if you're looking for somewhere to carry your iPad or iPad mini, yes, it will fit in here, just to let the Lux family know. I wouldn't say a laptop fits in here, because no, it's just way too big, unless you get them really compact ones. But then again, I don't think it would fit in here either. Now for the last compartment that I have, it's gone all the way over here. It's the little key pouch. Now this is detachable. You can either put this inside. Personally, I like this one inside. I just feel like it looks odd just dangling down in front of me and swinging about. But I usually stick cash in here, just so I can quickly get it in and out, and then just put whatever back inside of this bag itself. Now remember, with this bag, it's so versatile. You can take it apart, you can use this just as a clutch bag, or you can just use this as a little pouch you can take along with you. And remember, you can use that as another item in your keep-all bag or another crossbody bag if you wanted to. And the strap, you can strap it onto anything else. I actually used this strap to strap onto my keep-all bag as well. That looked really nice. I will say the only downside about this bag is that the width of the item. Now, because it's quite thin, you cannot fit like bulky stuff in there. Like I tried to put sunglasses in it and it wasn't happening. And I like to carry my sunglasses around in a actual sunglasses holder, but it just took up way too much space, and I just felt like, you know what, it's just going to be too awkward. So if you have a pair of beat up sunglasses that you can just throw in your bag, then yeah, go ahead, that's fine. But for me personally, my Chanel sunglasses, they're not going in here for sure. So that's what fits into my men's trio bag. I hope you really enjoyed the video. Yes, it was quite short, and I'm sorry it wasn't really detailed, a lot of people just decided they want to do work in their garden today, and I wasn't able to record properly. So thank you so much once again for tuning into my video, and remember to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below of what you may put in the bag, and also give a like to the video if I didn't say that before. Remember to stay safe. Peace.